Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the new video. We're doing Vechain again. We did it for first time yesterday. It went okay. Wife was happy, so why not do it again? Before we start, if you are interested in altcoins, we got this altcoin thing going on, daily altcoin video on Patreon, where we do like 20-30 altcoins every day, rank them up real nice and stuff like that. So if that's your thing, you might want to check it out. Now that said, let's get into the chart, see what's happening with Vechain. So the reason I wanted to do a second video on Vechain today was because somebody asked me in Telegram yesterday, where would good entry for Vechain be? And because it was going straight up, right, and the guy asked me where would good entry be, and I said on this 20 moving average, the red line on the 4 hourly, the red line would be nice. And you can see here today it's dropped down to the red line. So the question becomes, why did I say the red line? But well, if you look at the prior history, recent history of Vechain on the run up, you can see here, let me remove the white line, the red line, you can see how it always gets back down to the red line one way or other and keeps the red line in the uptrend. So I'm expecting something same to happen here. Once it starts going up, it's gonna keep this 20 moving, hitting 20 moving average. Because on the 4 hourly, the 10 moving average is not very reliable. You know what I mean. So 20 moving average, like the closest you can get on the 4 hourly. So 20 would be nice entry, and you can see now with all this drop, this is 4 hourly. So 1, 2, already for 3 consecutive. So that's 12 hours of trading. It's still holding this 20 moving average. Whether that's a good or entry or not, are we going further down or not? Is Bitcoin finished or not? Right now Bitcoin is at minus 3.8%. people are panicking probably. I'm not panicking, I'm like, no worries, but we won't get into that. We're talking about Vechain right now. So, and we are assuming the bull run is not finished, of course. This is going to continue going up. If that's the case, then this should continue going up. So let's look at it a little bit more and say, so yesterday we drew these nice parallel lines and we said that the target should be 0.15. This should go all the way up to the top, but now I got something else for you. I don't know if we're gonna hit the 0.50 line to straight up to the top or something. We might hit it by going sideways and then hit it up here, but this either way, this line over here is a resistance line that we have to take seriously right now. Okay, so once we start hitting this line over here, we have to assume that's resistance and that it's gonna bounce. If it break it, we have to consider that as a bullish signal and it's gonna go further up. Just keep that in mind. The resistance line up here doesn't have to be hit like this, it can be hit like this. Okay, so it's not actually 0.50 today, but not in a week's time. So let's remove that because that's just annoying right now. But this line over here is a resistance line. So I got something else for you today, and I was like thinking, is it actually a good time to buy now? Well, depends on how you see it. This is a strong uptrend. The move is strong uptrend. I have been saying that Vechain is looking very good. It's going up slowly, but it's going steady, slow. And you know what they say: slow and steady wins the race. So now look at this line over here. This is on the daily chart. Maybe you can see it better on the on the 4 hourly chart. Yeah, on the 4 hourly chart is even more precise. So you can see here that maybe I should remove the moving averages. You can see that these stops are getting hit really nicely. So this is some kind of resistance now that's actually been formed. 2 tops are not a strong resistance. 3 tops is a very strong resistance line. So when we start coming up here to this resistance line, break of this resistance line is probably gonna mean a change of the trend, faster upward trend. It means we're gonna go faster and hit this midline over here. But right now we are in some upward movement. Now this also might look, this is only, here's the problem, this might look like some kind of a triangle inside this channel right now, and we are hitting this top over here, this bottom over here. The problem is that this bottom is not confirmed. We only got like one bottom over here, maybe something like this, so already hitting the bottom there. So how much you're gonna extend it? Are we actually having 3 hits on this or not? I would like to have something like this over here so we can confirm the line, but we don't have. So whether this is correct support line or not, it depends. It really depends. But for the sake of argument, just so we have something to talk about, this can continue to range inside this this leftover triangle, right? Or wedge, or whatever it's called, right? So this can actually go all the way up to 28th of April. So 3 more weeks. So keep that in mind. So although it can range, it can be very slow growth. I know everybody's hoping that it's gonna go like this all the way up here. That doesn't have to happen. Or like this, just goes straight there and then continues further up. Vechain is not XRP or Dogecoin. You understand? It doesn't go straight up. It kind of goes slowly but surely. Slow and steady wins the race, right? So, but the thing I want to say is, once we break this resistance line over here, the trend is going to be changed. We might have some kind of retest over here on the line, but the thing is, once we break, it's going to go faster. I don't think we're going to slowly continue climbing up. I think it's going to go faster and hitting this line over here. So where that's going to be, over here, over here, over here, it really depends. It really depends. But nonetheless, Vechain is still looking very good. Not only that, this stump today actually is, if this holds, it's putting this daily RSI back down to the 62, which makes it super bullish. Tomorrow we still have this bullish crossover here that's not going away even with this stump. Weekly, on the weekly, let's see the moving averages. We are not overextended from the 10 moving average, so that's very nice. It's just this white line. We are extended, but not that much, so it's normal extension. It can go sideways. I mean, it depends. It depends. Maybe the triangle that we just drew, this triangle is gonna go kind of sideways now and for next couple of days, and then go up. Just give the weekly RSI a chance to come back to the price. That said, it looks very nice. It looks very nice. I cannot complain about Vechain. Even with this dump, I'm thinking it's good buying opportunity and all that. I know everybody is like screaming right now. I'm looking at my chart. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, you can see, but everything is. There are some things that are in green, like engine coin, one coin. You know, even I was looking that 1 inch was in green. Yeah, it was up 10, now it's 5%. Like, but I feel that there is very much bullishness, and somebody just has to click on the trigger, and this is gonna explode again. But right now I think people are just mass selling because they are in fear. They are in fear, and for other people that are not in fear, they are buying. You know, the money is just changing, going from the weak hands to the strong hands, like always. Anyways, Vechain is very nice. Vechain is very nice. I cannot complain on Vechain, man. It's been going up forever. How long has Vechain been going up? Let's see this. Since 9th November, yeah, since November, yeah, 5th November. Everything you see here, if you go over all of the altcoin stuff, that 5th November is when the bull run started, actually. 5th November, and then it just exploded. So Vechain up 1,400%. It's better than Bitcoin, but some other altcoins are beating it. But slow and steady wins the race. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more updates on Vechain. We might do more updates. I think my wife liked the Vechain updates, so we're gonna do that. Also like the video because of YouTube algorithm. It helps small channels like mine grow. And check out the Patreon if you want to see that altcoin daily video. 20-30 altcoins all the way. Thanks guys, thanks for watching, bye bye.